Hello guys, good morning, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, another sexy lingerie ang ating i-haul and review for today. So without further ado, let's begin. This new collection is from Victoria's Spring. Ayan, victoriaspring.com. So this is a thong panty. Look at this. Wow, very tiny. Look at this, so tiny. Tingin ko ito ay para saan lang. Ito ay free size, ang nakalagay po ay free size. Tapos yung kanyang garments ay nylon 65%, ang elastano is 15%, and polyester is 20%, is equivalent to 100%. At ang dito, garment or with similar cotton, do not bleach. So bawal itong i-bleach at do not dry clean. So hindi ito i-dry clean. This is a thong panty. So tingnan natin siya, oh. Look at this, very tiny. This is a thong panty. Oh, tingnan mo, nice. At saka yung kanyang material, napakaganda po. Ang ganda-ganda. So, tingnan natin yung kanyang quality, kung gaano kaganda po nito. Pero the style, look at this. The appearance, so nice and beautiful. This is thong panty. Alam nyo na yung may mga almo, hindi na uli pwede sa inyo ito. So, kung malakas ang loob nyo, okay lang. The material is okay, very nice. At malambot po yung material niyang ito. Pero pag dating dito sa clothes, okay din dahil meron siyang small amount ng lining. Na even if it is very tiny, aba, wag na kayong bubuka-buka. Very tiny nga. Small amount lang itong nakatakip sa ating private part. So, hindi ka pwedeng bubuka-buka. Naku po, patawarin. Talagang makikita ang inyong kalangitan dito. So, ayan. Hindi natin ma-sure kung hanggang saan ang itatagal nito, gaano ang tagal ng ititibay nito dahil ito ay nakapikit lang siya. Kapag ito ay laging nababasa, siyempre matatanggal itong nakadikit na ito. Alam mo naman yung dikit, kapag laging nababasa, natatanggal na siya, natutuklap lang ng kusa. So, yun po ang diferensya dito. Pero the style, the material, so nice. Wala kang irereklamo. And this is thong panty. Alam nyo na. Doon sa mahilig sa thong panty, this is recommended for you kasi napakaganda ng style niya at saka yung tela. Maganda talaga in fairness. Kaya lang, dito ang hindi natin ma-issue kung gaano ka tibay ito dito at ang itatagal nito. So, kung i-rate natin ito ng 1 to 10, bigyan lang natin siya ng 8 ang ating i-rate dito. Pero the material, the style, look at this. The appearance is so nice, very beautiful and sexy. And this is very tiny thong panty. So that is for today for our sexy bikini thong panty. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.